Eye makeup is a vital component of cosmetics, employed to enhance the eye's allure, predominantly by females and stage performers. Its significance extends to the realms of fashion and cosmetics, contributing to captivating looks that make a lasting impact. Kajal Pencil. A versatile tool, the Kajal Pencil serves dual purposes, defining the eyes and creating a smoky effect. Available in diverse shades, from classic black to vibrant colors, it can be applied to both the waterline and lash line. Mascara. Mascara is a transformative element, adding length, volume, and sometimes curl to eyelashes. Waterproof options ensure enduring wear, and different types cater to varied preferences, including lengthening, volumizing, and defining mascaras. Under-eye cream. Critical for the delicate eye area, under-eye cream addresses dryness, puffiness, and dark circles. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C hydrate, brighten, and combat signs of aging. It readies the under-eye region for seamless concealer application, preventing creasing. Eyeshadow palette. An expansive palette with an array of colors and finishes, matte, shimmer, metallic, allows for diverse eye looks. Whether aiming for subtlety during the day or drama in the evening, blending different shades adds depth and dimension to the eyes. Eyebrow Kit. Comprising pencils, powders, gels, or pomades, an eyebrow kit defines and shapes eyebrows, framing the eyes. Opting for a shade matching natural brow color ensures a more authentic appearance. Brushes and tools. Essential for precision and blending, a variety of brushes for eyeshadow, eyeliner, and eyebrows are indispensable for achieving diverse effects. Tools like eyelash curlers and tweezers contribute to grooming and shaping, completing the eye makeup arsenal. In summary, these essentials offer a comprehensive toolkit for crafting eye-catching looks, whether opting for a natural daily appearance or a striking, dramatic style. From defining the eyes with kajal to framing them with a carefully chosen eyebrow shade, each element plays a crucial role in the overall impact of eye makeup.